Finally, I got my hand on this hot C-segment sedan. Honda Civic FE was launched in Malaysia in February last year, but this is not the 1.5 turbo version. This is the newly launched HEV RS version. Hello and good day everybody, we meet again with me, Ik, the Honda guys, and for today's video we'll go through this new Civic, interior and exterior, and we also will see what are the new addition on this Civic variant. But before any of that happen, I need you guys to support us by subscribing to this channel, and thank you to all of you that keep supporting us as we just reached 1,000 subscribers. Wait for the next video where I will announce the lucky winner of the Samsung Watch 4. It is dated back in 2007 when Honda introduced its first Civic hybrid in Malaysia. Since then, Honda Malaysia introduced many hybrid vehicles like the Insight, the CRZ and then the City, followed by the HRV. And only Accord and CRV doesn't come with hybrid engine in Malaysia. From the first look, the exterior looks is very similar to the turbo Civic RS, except a minor nip and tuck in a few places, like the new Honda logo with the blue accent, 18-inch wheel with two-tone color that is similar to the US Civic Touring variant, black half-chrome door handle and a single chrome exhaust tip. Other than that, everything on the outside are pretty similar to the Civic Turbo. In the engine bay, the Civic used the familiar IMMD powertrain that is powered by the 2-liter engine that produces 143 horsepower and 189 Nm of torque, and the electric motor that produces 184 horsepower and 315 Nm of torque. Something to ponder about the Civic is the boot space is similar to the other variant, which stand at 497 liters. The City HEV lose about 109 liters because the battery is located in the boot space. But for the Civic, the engineer locate the battery underneath the rear seat. Inside is where the Civic HEV differentiates itself from the other variant, and this is the only variant in Malaysia that received the 10.2-inch TFT meters, dual zone auto aircon, a wireless charger and the sleek key card. Okay, now I'm driving the new Honda Civic HEV, and this is the first time I'm driving the new Civic FE since its first launch in February last year. I've driven the City HEV, and what I can say is the feeling is quite the same, except this Civic is packed with the bigger engine and also electric motor. And the best part is the 0 to 100 for this Civic HEV is much more faster, clocked at 7.9 seconds compared to the turbo line, which is clocked at 8.3 seconds. And it is also the most economical amongst all, with a fuel consumption of 4 liters per 100 km versus 6.3 liters on the turbo variant. With 315 Nm of torque at my disposal, there is no lack of power here. Yes, the top speed is much more lesser than turbo variant, but with that massive torque, imagine what you can do on the B road or going up to Genting. No complaint on the ride and handling, as this is Civic, so you can expect the ride and handling is sharp and direct. And I did remember when I was a kid, where the Honda Civic is portrayed as the sports car in Honda's lineup, put aside the R badges Honda, which is the Type R. And my personal opinion is Honda Malaysia made a good move by introducing the Civic Hybrid, as the other car maker has been actively promoting their EV car. The only problem with EV car in Malaysia is we still behind in terms of infrastructure in certain areas. Most of the charging stations are located in town, let's say in KL or in PJ. But let's say if you are living in Seremban, good luck finding any charging station. Whereas with hybrid car, you just need to fill your car with fuel in order to charge the battery. But some might say that fuel is not good for environment, etc. The funny thing is that all electric power stations still use fossil fuel to get the generators running to provide us with the electricity. But all in all, both hybrid and electric car are good for the environment. as they produce less carbon footprint. Except the fact that their factory still produce a lot of carbon, that is just out of my mind. Anyway, in my opinion, this Civic HEV is a good car overall. The handling is good, the space is adequate for 5 people, and the boot space is massive, good for a long journey comfortably. The only downside is the pricing. At 166,000 ringgit, it almost touched the CR-V territory. If you want to talk about the practicality and size, the CR-V win in every aspect except the hybrid powertrain. And what do you guys think? The price is okay, or should it be lower a little bit to promote the hybrid powertrain to the masses? Let us know in the comment section below. To end this video, I need you guys to support us by subscribing to this channel. Wait for the next video where I'm gonna announce the lucky winner for the Samsung Watch 4. I'm Ik, signing off from this week video. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. See you guys next time, and Happy New Year!